Flying Mountain Mystery Revealed. A single cloud floating above your head can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds, heavier than a fully loaded jumbo jet. That's a massive amount of water just hanging in the sky. But clouds seem light and fluffy because their water droplets are spread out over miles. Each droplet is tiny, almost weightless on its own, and they're suspended by rising warm air currents. The result is a gigantic, invisible weight drifting effortlessly above us every day. Next time you look up, you're staring at a flying mountain.